guys, it's me, Luke, and today I have some good news. I bought the birthday guidance hamster, the one that Cameron routed up for 20. Got the one that says "I'm coming up to you" by Pink. Well, I got him. Yes. He has to come with this box. I think he comes with this tag. I'm not honestly really sure, but I just bought him because I got $25 for my Amazon Kindle gift card from the Easter Bunny, you know what I'm saying. But and so I got birthday guy, and he will come in. He's shipping in 3 to 5 business days, so he'll have to come in like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. I'm not sure, but I think he'll come the same day as Mitsu because I bought birthday guy from the same seller I got Mitsu from. So I think he comes with this tag. I know for sure he's not coming with this box. But I got him for $20, and I still have $5 left. And also I have, let's see, I have $5 left on my gift card. I have 2 $5 bills, so that'd be $15, and I have 2. So I have like $17 left, so I might get Leroy Brown soon. I'll get Leroy Brown after I get birthday guy, though. So just, I don't know, I just want to. But, yeah, so just to tell you guys, I got birthday guy, and I will film him once I get him. And also, just to tell you, now I know people are like, why are you buying hamsters? You only have 1 frog. Let me explain something, guys. Like what Joe said, I am doing something. I am gonna first collect the hamsters. When I'm done collecting the hamsters, I will get the frogs. Now, some of you are like, why? Like, never buy frogs. Well, I will get Maniac as soon as I can. Shoot, I could have got her, but I just really wanted birthday guy. And, but I will collect the frogs once I'm done collecting the hamsters. And I will buy a frogs once and occasionally before I'm done collecting it. Because in all, I think, maybe I'll get 30 or 40 hamsters in all. That seems like a lot, but it is possible. So yeah, I'll do that. And yeah, so also, Nick videoed his hamsters that he got. Celebration, Hal, Fly Guys, a few others. Yeah, a few others. And yeah, and then Roger Boy Cameron, he got the Kung Fu hamster. Now, Cameron, you actually said that I should buy the Kung Fu hamster, and I was going to, but I don't really actually. I want the Kung Fu hamster later. He's on Amazon, the same one you have, except not in box. But I will get the Kung Fu hamster as soon as I can. So yeah, that's all I have to say. So I got birthday guy, and I might get Leroy Brown soon. So see you guys later. Peace out.